Hi and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here we have the GM S2100 and I'm gonna show you how to align your watch hands. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the upper left button for about 5 seconds until you hear the double beep. So let's go, press and hold, 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 and let go. We heard the double beep. The watch hands are aligned exactly at 12 o'clock and you have your zeros flashing over here. Now the next task is to align our analog hands. By pressing the upper or lower right buttons, if they are not aligned exactly at 12 o'clock, and they should be aligned exactly at 12 o'clock if you want your analog time to correspond to your digital time. So pressing one of these two buttons will move the hands clockwise or counterclockwise. So when I press and hold it, it will engage the fast rotation, and that is done when the hands are way out of the alignment. Now I'm going to align them exactly at 12 o'clock as they should be, and once I have aligned them, I'm going to press the adjust button and the watch will implement those settings, meaning that this over here time 23 and 22 will correspond to the analog time represented on the main dial. And it is correct, meaning that I have properly adjusted my hands. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. Thank you.